Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 24th, 2021. Let's start with international news. SpaceX rocket ship launches 4 astronauts on NASA mission. NASA and Elon Musk's commercial rocket company SpaceX launched a new 4 astronaut team on a flight to the International Space Station, the first crew ever propelled into rocket by a orbit by a rocket booster recycled from a previous space flight. The SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket propelled the Crew Dragon spacecraft with NASA astronaut Shane Kimbrough and Megan MC Arthur, along with Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Hakiko Hoshide and European Space Agency astronaut Thomas Spexquat into orbit to begin a 6-month science mission on the space station. Adobe Reader founder passed away. Charles Gueste, 81, co-founded Adobe Reader. He died in California, USA, the most widely used in the world. Create file format PDF, portable document format software. His other name called Chuck. La Sophie volcano on St. Vincent explosively erupting again in the Caribbean. The La Sophie volcano on the Caribbean island of St. Vincent began a series of explosive eruptions on April 9th, sending clouds of hot ashes some 20,000 feet into the air, blanketing much of the island in ashes and causing water and electricity outages. The eruption at the 3,864-foot volcano have continued nearly every day since. On Wednesday, April 14th, a fresh eruption sent clouds of ashes into the sky and superheated clouds of gas, ashes, and rock speeding down the hillsides, island officials said. Indonesia submarine lost. The German built diesel powered KRI Nanggala 402 has been in service in Indonesia since 1981 and was carrying 49 crew members and 3 gunners as well as its commander, the Indonesian Defense Ministry said. Indonesia's Navy on Saturday said items were found from a missing submarine, indicating the vessel with 53 crew members had sunk and there was no hope of finding survivors. Navy Chief Yondo Margano said rescuers found several items from the RKI Nangala 402, which disappeared after it last reported dive Wednesday off the resort island of Bali. National news. India said to import portable oxygen generation plants from Germany. India has decided to import oxygen generation plants from Germany. Spokesperson for the Ministry of Defense Bharat Bhushan Babu admit report of shortage of oxygen in the hospitals during the second wave of COVID across the country. The Armed Forces Medical Services has decided to import oxygen generation plants and container from Germany to cater to the shortage. Each plant has a capacity to produce 40 liters of oxygen per minute and 2,400 liters an hour. At this rate, it can cater to 20 to 25 patients around the clock. The advantages of this plant is that they are easily portable. RBI extends interim WMA limit of rupees 51,560 crore to states. The RBI announced an extension of interim waves and means advances limit of rupees 51,560 crore to state governments till September to help them tide over the financial crisis posed by the second wave of COVID 19. WMA or the temporary advances given by the RBI to the states to tide over any mismatches in receipt and payments. Ministry of Culture and Tourism online exhibition on World Heritage Day. Honorable Union Ministry of Culture and Tourism Sri Prahalad Patel inaugurated the online exhibition on Ramayana, the epic by Maharishi Valmiki, curated and developed by N.M. New Delhi. Virafin vaccine for corona treatment. The Directorate of Drug Control of India has approved the use of Virafin injection for the emergency treatment of corona patients for the treatment of patients with moderate coronavirus disease. Swamitva scheme. Swamitva its expansion, survey of villages and mapping with improvised technology in village areas. The scheme was launched by the Indian government on April 24, 2020. This central sector scheme map all properties in rural India using drone and provide certificate for property ownership to, to respective individuals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to distribute e-property card under the scheme on April 24, 2021 to over 4 lakh property owners. Indian trade show good progress despite corona tragedy. Export of processed product to India have grown by 26.5% in the current fiscal year despite the country experiencing a second wave of COVID-19. First Oxygen Express arrives in Maharashtra from Visakhapatnam. The train arrived at Nagpur bringing some relief to the state which is reeling under surge in coronavirus cases and shortage of medical oxygen. The first Oxygen Express carrying 7 tankers filled with liquid medical oxygen from Visakhapatnam reached Maharashtra. Energy Transition Index 2021. India has been ranked at the 87th position among 115 countries in the Energy Transition Index that tracks nation on the current performance of their energy systems across a various aspects. According to a report, the report from the World Economic Forum released on Wednesday, it prepared in collaboration with Accenture also draws on insight from ETI. The top countries in the index were West and Northern European countries. They are Sweden in the first position, followed by Norway and Denmark, second and third position. Economic news. Economic growth prediction. S&P Institute predicts the India's economic growth will grow to 11% in fiscal year of 2021 to 22. Books. Book. The book called The Christmas Pig. It was written by J.K. Rowling. The Christmas Pig is a heartwarming, page-turning adventures about one child's love for his most treasured toy and how far he will go to find it. It is a standalone story unrelated to any of J.K. Rowling's previous work and is suitable for children 8 plus. A tale for a whole family to fall in love with. Important days. World Book and Copyright Day. World Book Day is celebrated by UNESCO on April 23rd every year. Books are our best friends, guides, and philosophers. April 23 is a symbolic date for world literature because on this date in 1616 that Cervantes, Shakespeare and Garcilaso all died. So hence the day was selected to pay tribute to the great literary figures. Theme on this year to share a story. Expected question. Question number 1. SpaceX company in collaboration with NASA Space Research Organization of USA when had planned to send 4 astronauts to space. Answer April 23. Question number 2. The KRI Nangala 402 submarine has been used by the Indonesian Navy since which year? Answer 1981. Question number 3. Who opened the online exhibition on Maharishi Valmiki's epic Ramayana? Answer Ministry of Culture and Tourism, Sri Prahalad Patel. Question number 4. Virafin injection drug manufactured by which company? Answer Cydus Cadila. Question number 5. Under which scheme has the government announced the 4.09 property owners will be issued electronic card for their properties? Answer Swavitva scheme. Question number 6. Who initiated the distribution of electronic card as assets under Swavitma scheme? Answer PM Modi. Question number 7. When was Start Electronic Card for Assets under Swamitva scheme? Answer April 24. Question number 8. What is the percentage growth of export of processed product in India in the financial year 2021? Answer 26 to 51%. Question number 9. How far is India in the Energy Transition Index for the year 2021? Answer 87th place. Question number 10. When was the World Economic Forum releasing the Global Energy Transformation Index for 2020 to 21 released? Answer April 21st. Question number 11. Which country topped the Global Energy Transition Index for the year 2021? Answer Sweden. Question number 12. Which country secured the last place in the Energy Transition Index 2021? Answer Zimbabwe. Question number 13. Which company has forecasted 11% economic growth in India for the financial year 2021 to 22? Answer S&P Company. Question number 14. When was the World Book and Copyright Day observed? Answer April 23. Question number 15? What is the theme of World Book and Copyright Day 2021? Answer to share a story. Question number 16. When does UNESCO started to observe World Book and Copyright Day in April 23rd? Answer 1995. Question number 17. Who is the author of the book The Christmas Pig? Answer J.K. Rowling. For daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.